If you're looking for a battery that will fit this insulating jacket, then stick around for a full step-by-step battery replacement, including the tools you need and what to expect after installation. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. On the positive side, look for the clamped nut closest to the battery post and loosen it just enough to remove the terminal. The battery is held in place with one bolt down here at the base of the battery. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so help us get these numbers up. Although an AGM battery would be best, we're replacing it with the same size and type as the original, so I'll share some info on this battery a bit later. For now, make sure the positive can reach and install the mounting bracket. Then don't forget the insulating jacket before connecting the terminals, but start with the positive first. What's important here is to push the terminal down as much as possible before tightening it for a solid connection. The terminal shouldn't be able to move around by hand. The negative terminal can now be connected. A flat screwdriver can be used to open the clamp to push it down as far as possible. For this 1.4 petrol model, these dimensions match the original, and it should be in the 40 to 50 amp hour range. If you're not using an AGM, you'll definitely want to use an enhanced flooded battery as the next best option. You shouldn't have any warnings on startup, and a radio code isn't necessary. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.